Hey Griddle Nation, today we're going to take pizza to a whole new level by making delicious pizza on a stick in the Blackstone Pizza Oven. It's a fun and tasty twist on the classic pizza that's perfect for parties, game nights, or just a unique snack. Let's get started. First, we're going to grab our mozzarella cheese sticks and skewer each one on a bamboo skewer. This will make it easier to handle and give our pizza a fun presentation. Next, take your Pillsbury pre-made pizza dough and cut it into about 12 strips. These will be used to wrap around our cheese sticks. Now let's add some delicious flavor. Take a slice or two of large pepperoni from the deli counter and wrap it around each cheese stick. The bigger pepperonis taste better and cover more of the cheese stick with fewer slices, making them easier to handle. Take a strip of pizza dough and wrap it around each cheese stick. Make sure to completely cover the cheese stick, including sealing the ends to prevent any cheese from oozing out while it melts in the pizza oven. To take our pizza on a stick to the next level, let's add some mouth-watering toppings. Brush each pizza stick with some melted butter, sprinkle a little fresh grated parmesan, and generously add Blackstone's Tutto Italiano seasoning. Now that our pizza sticks are ready, let's set up the Blackstone Pizza Oven. Arrange the cheese sticks in a circle on the pizza stone with the sticks in the middle. Make sure the pizza oven is cold before placing them inside. Turn on the pizza oven on low heat and let them cook until the pizza dough turns golden and the cheese is nice and melty. Once they're done, take them out and they're ready to be served. There you have it. Pizza on a stick made with Blackstone's Pizza Oven, a scrumptious and fun twist on pizza that's sure to be a hit with everyone. Serve them with some pizza sauce, fresh grated parmesan, and a sprinkle of Blackstone's Tutto Italiano seasoning. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your pizzas on a stick, and happy cooking.
Mmm.